can't go stomping around, and you can't come with me. My mom will wig out. That's right. So you have got to stay in the forest, and I'll bring you some food tomorrow. But I gotta go home now. So, goodbye. Hey! Wait a minute. What do you think you're doing? Look at this mess. Put it back! Put it back right now! Help me! I need your help! Good, good! Okay, put them together. See, like this. There's one here, that one there. Okay, over, good, good. Now the other. Okay, good enough. Let's go! What's that? That's fine! Leave it alone! The train is coming! The train is coming! Come on, let's go! Oh no, no, no. No. Ah! You're alive!
Anybody out there?
Oh, we're in trouble now.
Are you all right?
Look, I changed my mind. You can't follow me home, okay? Let's go!
Mayor's office.
Anyone
What?
report seeing
A
anything
train accident?
unusual?
What do you mean he hit a giant creature? What creature could be big enough to...
I need your car.